Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Gears and Grits. So, as you guys can see here, I traded in the RoadKing Special. I got the Pan America now, and dude, let me just tell you, it's like a night and day difference. This bike is amazing. It's super quick, and it feels very agile, and you can go, dirt roads, gravel roads. It's just I don't know. In my opinion, it's kind of like the best bike that Harley makes for your money, if that makes sense. Like, you get so much tech in this bike. I love the wheels. I opted in for those wheels, the spoke wheels. And then this is the new 2024 Alpine green color. You can't really see it too well. Well, I guess you can a little bit, but it's really dark. It looks a little black. There's not too much light out. But anyways, today the video is how to retrofit the Harley-Davidson LEDs from the Touring to the Pan America. So these are the stock ones, which I hate. They're so ugly. They glow like yellow. They look really cheap, but they did kind of an asshole move, to be completely honest with you, as you can't remove this clear cap over it. You literally have to break it off. So what I did was I ordered a pair of junk ones off of eBay, and then I kind of using that as my guinea pig, but it's turning out very well. As you can see on this side, I kind of already took everything apart here. It was actually pretty simple. Since there wasn't any instructions online, I can't find any videos online of like modification to the Pan America or anything like that, besides the whole Denali situation, which I don't like how those look anyways. I really like the ones that Harley sells, like the ones that I had in my RoadKing. I do plan to do the same to the tail lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and order like a pair of shitty ones off of eBay, maybe damaged ones, so I can do the same. And then I'll take you over to my workbench. Let's take a look. Which is the front of my Jeep bumper, is where I'm doing all my work from. I have a whole toolbox over there, but I'm being lazy. But yeah, here is the Harley-Davidson LED light. It has like a white ring here. It looks really nice. It looks very beautiful compared to the ones that came in the Pan America, which looks shitty. And then I kind of did a little bit of work before I started the video here. But essentially, imagine this is the one on the Pan America currently right now that I showed you guys. All I did was pop off the clear cover and then took out the internals. I actually had to break off the clear cover, so you gotta wear like safety goggles to make sure you don't have any plastic bits flying in your face. And then I took a Dremel and then sanded around to get it to fit. It fits nice perfectly. I already connected it. I tested it on the Pan America. It lights up fine. Touch signals work fine. I pulled out the wires. So what you have to do is like take a heat gun, because there's like some sort of resin here that doesn't let you to pull it out or to push it in. So I took a heat gun, got it really soft. And then this little gray plug here plugs into the back. I guess it's like a water seal. But you have to use like a little pick or pliers to get that out. You do not want to break that, because that's what's gonna prevent water from getting inside. So, and then once you take this off, you have to just pull the wire out from the housing. And then that's when you can do your work. So I connected the female connectors here. I'm gonna connect the male connectors there. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'll pick up the video from there. All right, guys, check it out. Little test fit here before I put parts back on. This is what it looks like. Well, it's too fucking bright, actually. But yeah. And then for those of you that want to know, which obviously you do, you guys can see this is where it connects. Here's a connector, following it up. Connects to here. There's gonna be like a little shield over it. This little shield is gonna be over it. I don't want to take it off, a little torque bit. I believe it's a 20, let me see here. Yeah, T20. So a little T20 comes off there. And this is my factory one, which I'm gonna keep just in case, you know. Yeah, but as you can see, I connected the, let me shut off the bike, because that glare is crazy. All right. So I put the male connectors on the LED light, connected to the female. The rubber grommet in there is kind of a pain in the ass to put back in place. And then the wire is a little bit exposed here because I actually cut the shield in order to get the wires out. But I'm gonna fix that in a jiff. But yeah, I'm just gonna pop it back in, fix that, and then put this side back together, and then we're gonna start on the other side. All right, guys. Here's the light back installed. Put it back in there. It's really easy to take this off, by the way. There's just a lot of little torque screws. It's just little plastic bits that clip on together. Look right there. You can kind of see, it's kind of obvious. There's 3 inside here, you see, and then there's nothing else. Then it just pulls apart. Then on top of the light is like a little screw, but after you get these screws off here, they'll pull apart. Then you can get this gloss black cover off, and it'll expose the top screw on top of the light. Then you just wire the light through here. But I'm gonna connect it back onto the bike. It's the exact same steps on the other side, which I've yet to do. But I'll be right back, show you guys that. All right, guys, I got everything bolted back on this side. Look at that, looks much, much better. I got the other side disconnected already, but this looks so much better. In the video, it looks a little bit yellow, but in person, it's like bright white that it matches the low beam there. But anyways, this is how you do it. You pull off the fairing. This connector here, I don't know if you guys can see where my finger is, very dark. This one is a connector for this light. You're gonna want to unbolt this one here. I think there's like 4. This one, the one on the bottom. This one here. Sorry about the lighting, it's really shitty, but this one here. So there's 3, 1, 2, 3. And then you go around here. Oh, let me shut off the light. One more here. And then it should just pop out. The other side is exactly the same, but obviously you're gonna wanna remove the engine guard first and the skid plate. But that's pretty easy, it's self-explanatory. There's 3 bolts that hold on the engine guard, and then another, 5, 6 that hold on the skid plate. So it's pretty easy. I'm really happy. I'll show you guys what it looks like at the very end when I change both sides. But like I said, this side is gonna be exactly the same as the other side. All right, guys, here we go. This is the final view here. Put everything back together, the engine guard, skid plate. That's how they look. It looks much better. Let me turn it back on for you. Turn the bike on. Yeah, look at that. Super bright, super nice. I like these a lot better than the stock OEM ones. In the picture, they look a little bit yellow, but in person, they're very, very white, very bright. Super clean, super nice. But yeah, guys, that is how you install, or retrofit rather, the Harley LED lights from the touring and softail bikes. These here. I still gotta do the tail lights, but I'm gonna order a damaged pair off of eBay so I can use those to install. But yeah, guys, this video helped you out, which I'm sure it did, because there isn't any other videos out there how to disassemble that whole side and get to those front turn signals. Please like, share, subscribe, please. That'll help me out a lot. Thank you, guys. see you in the next one.